Okay, so this is superior extensor retinaculum and this is Y-shaped inferior extensor retinaculum. This one is the superior peroneal retinaculum and this is inferior peroneal retinaculum, beneath which passes the peroneus tendons, the peroneus longus and peroneus brevis. This is common superficial peroneal nerve, which gives off a medial dorsal cutaneous branch and a lateral dorsal cutaneous branch, which supplies the front of dorsum of the foot. This is extensor hallucis longus tendon, and these are the tendons of extensor digitorum longus. These are the extensor digitorum brevis muscle. Now coming to the medial side, this is the flexor retinaculum. Now we'll discuss the dorsum, the sole of the foot. The muscles on the sole of the foot are divided into 4 layers. So on the first layer we see 3 muscles. The first one is the abductor hallucis, the abductor digiti minimi, and the flexor digitorum brevis. The second layer has a long tendon, that is the flexor digitorum longus, having these long tendons going into the digits. Now this quadratus plantae muscle is inserted into the flexor digitorum longus. So this is flexor digitorum longus, this is quadratus plantae. In between the long tendons are the lumbricals, the 4 lumbricals. Now this is the second layer of the sole of foot, and the fourth muscle of this layer is the extensor hallucis longus. The third layer has this flexor digiti minimi muscle, the adductor hallucis, the transverse head of adductor hallucis, and the oblique head of adductor hallucis. And this one here is the flexor hallucis brevis muscle. The fourth layer has the interossei. These are the plantar interossei between the metatarsals. Along with these we have the long tendons of tibialis posterior here and the peroneus longus muscle. So this completes the fourth layer of the sole of foot. This is deep peroneal nerve going down, and it supplies the first web. This is anterior tibial artery. It continues as dorsalis pedis artery here, which gives an arcuate artery, these metatarsal arteries between the fingers, and the dorsal digital arteries. This is posterior tibial artery, and along with is the tibial nerve. Both of these pass beneath the flexor retinaculum. The posterior tibial artery gives off calcaneal branches to the calcaneum, and then it terminates as medial plantar artery and a lateral plantar artery. The lateral plantar artery curves towards the medial side and joins the deep plantar branch of the dorsalis pedis here to complete the arch. Here it gives off the plantar metatarsal arteries, and in the fingers it gives off plantar digital branches. Now the tibial nerve terminates as medial plantar nerve and lateral plantar nerve. The lateral plantar nerve gives off a superficial branch and a deep branch which curves towards the medial side and supplies here.